Hi friends, this is Dr. Asavari Page and I head the Cardiac Rehabilitation Department of Aloha Lifestyle Reversal Studios in Pune, and today I am going to focus more on certain strength training exercises with the help of these TheraBands. Hi friends, this is Asavari again. And like how in my previous videos we saw a few stretching exercises, we are going to focus more on certain strength training exercises today with the help of these TheraBands. Because TheraBands strength training is again equally essential, which gives you the strength and the force that you need for a cardio workout. It can be done in numerous ways with dumbbells, with your body weight, but I guess TheraBands is an extremely easy tool which is very handy. You can travel with it, you can do it at home. They are easily available as well at any of the pharmacy stores, but you can also get it at our Aloha clinics. There are various colors in it. Every brand has got its own color. You can pick up a couple of them which suits you. But again, I would like to mention that people who are not used to such kind of exercises, I would really advise you to go to a physical therapist first and get yourself supervised before you go to these kind of exercises. But people who are really used to such TheraBand exercises, it's an excellent tool and wonderful way to strength train yourself. So let's get started. I'm going to show you 5 exercises today which would focus majorly on your posture, because specifically people who are sitting in front of the computers for a long time and who have got this neck pain, upper girdle pain, I'm going to focus these areas majorly. So the first exercise would be, of course, if you have a mirror in front of you, would be really great. It will give you more visual feedback and will help you correct your posture. So the first one is again your feet shoulder width apart. This would be your starting position. This is going to focus more on your shoulder rotators and of course your upper girdle as well. So you're going to get them out and in, out. These are for your shoulder rotators. You have to inhale and exhale. Make sure you're not holding your breath. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. So you can do it for about 10 to 15 repetitions and that completes your first set. The second one, after you're done with this, you extend your elbows and you again get them out as far as you can go. If you need more tension, you have to just get your length reduced. That's it. So again, inhale, exhale. This would be again focusing more on your upper girdle, shoulder, and of course in turn your neck as well. So that's your second exercise. Right? Now the third one, what I'm going to show is a diagonal opening out. So this would be your starting position again. This is again going to focus more on your supraspinatus or your basically rotator cuff muscles. So you get them out. This is like a side opening. 1, 2. The quality of movement is what is essential. I don't want you all to do it in a faster way, but it has to be a slow movement to control your quality, your posture as well. So if you have got rolled over shoulders, you have to make sure that you are standing straight, and otherwise it's not going to benefit you. So this one was my third. I again repeat it with my other arm. So this is again my third one. Right? That's the diagonal opening. The fourth one is an extremely essential one again. This is for your scapulae or the shoulder blades, majorly because of this upper girdle posture where we tend to stoop down and you kind of stretch. You need to stretch these muscles and you have to strengthen these muscles. So get this TheraBand into your scapular blades this way. They have to be this way here. So out and forwards. That is going to be the movement. Out and forwards. So you get your shoulder blades rolling on your thoracic cage. Out and forwards. So what I'm doing is I'm actually strengthening my shoulder blades. Out, and you're going to feel so nice after this. Right? So that's my fourth exercise. Again, no breath holding, slow movement, and your posture has to be really good. The last one, so put them down. Now if your TheraBand is not of adequate length, then you have to just kneel down maybe, right? So adjust your tension the way you want to. Get it out and out. Again, this is for your rotators, shoulder blades and your upper girdle. So in, out, in, out, in, posture straight, out, in. So these are the five important exercises which I would like to focus today. And as I said, strength training has to be an integral part of your exercise training. I hope it was helpful.